Once your smart ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is up and running, you'll be ready to set up smart control. We'll show you how. When you get started, turn on Bluetooth and make sure your phone is not connected to any other devices. After that, open the VeSync app, then log in or create an account. On the home screen, tap the plus sign. Select Air Quality Products and look for your humidifier. Next, make sure the humidifier is plugged in and turned on. When VeSync prompts you, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi indicator will blink, and VeSync will begin connecting to your humidifier. To complete the connection, sign in to your Wi-Fi network. VeSync will then give you the option to name your device. Once you're connected, you can access your smart humidifier anytime from anywhere.